I'm Muhammad Abyad. This is Patrick Saoud and Bridget Ireland from the American University of Beirut, and we are part of a team working on building resilient food security systems.
The problem we're trying to solve here is actually feeding the next 2 billion people we're going to have in the world in the next 30 years. The main issues for these are we don't have enough water, we don't have enough land, and we waste too much of the food that we actually do produce today. So our project is to integrate all together to make our water more productive and use the wasted feed to produce nutritious human feed. Traditionally, producing a kilo of wheat requires about a ton of water, and this is groundwater that is being used very inefficiently. So part of our project is to pump water from the ground and grow fish in it and then use the fish water to irrigate. This actually improves water productivity very much. We now have, with every ton of water, about 15 kilos of fish and that kilo of tomatoes that we used to produce before. Additionally, we take the part of the 40% of the food produced in the world that is wasted today, and we recycle it, we remanufacture it, we produce fish feed, and we give it to our fish. So now our fish are growing out of wasted feed or wasted human food, and our plants are being irrigated by water that has already been productive. This reduces our water footprint, our CO2 footprint, and produces much more food per unit area of land. Hopefully this will help improve the food situation in the world.
Hi, I'm Bridget. I'm a graduate student from New Hampshire, America, who's working on the project from AUB. I joined the project last May, in which I started training with the University of Vermont in identifying pests on agricultural crops. With this irrigation system, I can send water from the fish pool to both of these projects, which I do daily. Other daily maintenance includes feeding the fish 3 times a day and increasing over the season, and fertilizing certain parts of the beans project once a week to determine if our fish water population, plant population, is getting the same nutrients as the artificial fertilizer population.
The solution we are proposing today is to integrate renewable solar energy with efficient water usage in order to produce more nutritious food with less space while recycling food waste. The impact of our project really focuses on marginalized communities, women in rural areas, as well as refugees in many countries. The impact of our project can be measured by different indicators, including socioeconomic, improvement in livelihoods, nutrition, and health.